Hello everyone. So in this video we will solve an example of C-look disk scheduling. We have the disk queue, we also have the number of cylinders, and we have the disk head at 50, and also we have the direction towards 0. So first of all, let us make the number line, and then now we have to allocate the minimum and the maximum of the cylinders, that is 0 and 199. Let me just make this larger. Okay, so we will write 0 over here and then 199 at the end. Okay, and then we have to first of all denote the initial head, so it is at 50. So let us write that down. We also have to denote all these requests that we have in the work queue, so let us mark them on the number line first of all. So we have 10, then 30, then over here 70, then 110 and 170. Okay, so now this is a C look and we have the direction towards 0. So initial head at 50 and it goes towards the direction of 0. So it will execute 30, then 10, and then it will change its direction and then will execute 70, 110 and then 170. Okay. So let us mark this down first. So let us join this for keeping the track of all the head movement that the input output head has traveled. Now it will go towards 0 and will grant the request for cylinder number 10. So now let us join these, and then after reaching one end's last request it will change its direction and then will go till the last request of another end. It will not go till 199. Okay, so let us mark the point for 170, and then changing its direction it will execute or grant the request of cylinder 110. Okay, so let us make a point over here, and then after that it will execute the request of cylinder number 70. So let us join these, so 70 also, and then we will calculate the total head movement. Okay, so let us join this and calculate the total head movement. Total head movement you can directly go as 50 minus 10, then 170 minus 10, and then 170 minus 70. But it is better to just have the summation of all the differences of the movement that the head has traveled. Okay, so 50 minus 30, then 30 minus 10. Okay, so 30 minus 10, then we will go from 10 to 170, so 170 minus 10. Then we will go to 110, so 170 minus 110, and then we went to 70, so 110 minus 70. Okay, so after this 50 minus 30 is 20, and then 30 minus 10 is 20, then 170 minus 10 is 160, then 170 minus 110 is 60. So I mistakenly wrote just 60 over here. So 170 minus 110 is 60, then 110 minus 70 is 40. Okay, so 160 plus 40 is 200, and then 60 plus 40 is 100, so 300. Okay, C-look is similar to C-scan, but the difference is that we didn't went to the initials 0 and the final 199. We just went to the last request of each side, and it prevents the extra delay that was occurred due to the necessary traversal to the end of the disk when we went from 0 to 199 in earlier scan or C-scan. Okay, so we can say scan or C-look is a reasonable choice for the default algorithm. So thank you guys for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe. Also, comment down below if you are having any doubts or you want me to make video on a particular program or topic. And if you want to access complete video series on a particular programming language, then go to my playlist section, or you can just click the playlist link inside the description of this video. So go through the videos and practice them with me and become a pro in programming languages. So see you all in the next video. Till then, study more, worry less, and all the best for your upcoming exams. Bye bye.